Certainly. Here's an expanded and more detailed version of Iran's air superiority and air power capabilities as of 2025, covering all layers of its air force, defense systems, drone warfare, missile integration, EW, electronic warfare, and strategic doctrine. Iran's air superiority and aerial defense capabilities 2025. 1. Fighter aircraft and combat aviation. Iran's manned air fleet is largely composed of aging U.S. and Soviet-era aircraft. However, Iran has been upgrading, reverse engineering, and localizing these jets. Aircraft inventory and status. Aircraft, origin, role, aprocity, modernization status. F-5 Eden upgrading. F-14 Tomcat, U.S. Air Superiority -20, upgraded with local radar and weapons. F-4 Phantom II, U.S. Strike and Recon 30 limited upgrades. F-5E Tiger II, U.S. Light Fighter. Core 60 locally produced as Kausar Su-24 Fencer, Russia, Bomber Strike 25. Some avionics upgrades. MiG-29 Fulcrum, Russia, multi-role 30 in service with basic capability, Nashar. Domestic aircraft projects, Kausar Fighter, based on F-5 design, modest avionics, short-range capability. Qaher 313, claimed stealth fighter, remains mostly symbolic, not combat-proven. Iran's pilot training, combat readiness, and in-flight refueling capability are considered weak compared to U.S. or Israeli standards. Many jets lack modern AESA radars, BVR missiles, or network battle management. 2. Air Defense System ADS network. Iran's primary air defense strength lies in its multi-layered missile defense shield, combining foreign systems and local innovation. Strategic systems. S-300 PMU-2, Russia. Long range, 200 kilometers, capable of engaging ballistic missiles and aircraft. Domestic long-range SAM system claimed to match S-300 capabilities. Cordad 15 hand, medium-range system that can detect stealth aircraft claimed to 150 kilometers. Tactical and short-range systems. Mersad, upgraded Hawk system for short-range defense. Tor M1, point defense system for mobile convoys and command centers. Syed 234, SAM family integrated into layered radar network. Iran's ADS coverage includes Tehran and key nuclear sites, Khuzestan and southern oil regions, western borders and Strait of Hormuz zones. Most systems are radar-linked and mobile, increasing survivability during conflict. 3. Drone and UAV power, Iran's aerial edge. Iran has built a vast drone ecosystem that it exports to allies and uses for surveillance, combat, and kamikaze missions. Drone capabilities, UAV, type, range, function. Shahed 129, male 1,700 kilometers, ISR and guided bomb strikes. Mohajer 6, tactical, 200 kilometers, armed recon, can carry guided missiles. Shahed 136 kamikaze, 2,000 kilometers. Loitering munitions, low radar profile. Ababil series recon kamikaze 100 to 400 kilometers. Surveillance, strike roles. Karar, jet-powered, long-range, potential cruise missile launch platform. These drones are low-cost and mass-producible, harder to detect due to low radar signature, often launched from mobile trucks or civilian areas, complicating counterstrikes in. Iran has exported drones to Russia, used in Ukraine, Hezbollah, Hamas, Houthis. 4. Missile-based air denial strategy. Iran compensates for weak air-to-air superiority with a massive arsenal of missiles, used to target enemy air bases and logistics. Key systems. Fateh 110 Zolfaghar Dezful, precision short-range ballistic missiles, SRBM. Khaybar Shakan, medium-range ballistic missile, up to 1,450 kilometers. Sumar Ya Ali, air-launched cruise missiles with stealth flight profiles. These missiles limit enemy air operations by threatening takeoff points, strike with accuracy improvements, guided by GPS or optical seekers, operate from underground silos, mobile tells, and even rail platforms. Iran often tests these missiles during joint drills and shares tech with proxy groups. 5. Electronic warfare, EW, and radar systems. Iran has developed a layered EW and radar program for air surveillance and jamming. Capabilities. Passive radar arrays, capable of detecting stealth aircraft using reflected signals. Jamming and spoofing of GPS and satellite communications. Cyber warfare teams embedded in military command mobilized jamming trucks, to disrupt aircraft and drone sensors. They successfully interfered with U.S. drones, including capturing a RQ-170 Sentinel in 2011, reverse-engineered into the Saiga drone. Strategic Doctrine, A2AD, Anti-Access Area Denial. Iran's air strategy is not to win air dominance, but to 1. Deny the enemy access to critical airspace. 2. Punish regional air bases with missiles and drones. 3. Survive first strikes, then retaliate through proxy warfare and long-range threats. This allows Iran to disrupt superior air forces like Israel or the U.S., keep Hezbollah and militias synchronized in multi-front aerial operations. Conclusion: Iran's air power, an asymmetric arsenal. Weaknesses: extensive SAM and radar coverage, obsolete manned aircraft fleet, advanced and export-proven drones, poor pilot training and radar tech, long-range missile strike options, no stealth or modern multi-role jets, EW, cyber, and GPS spoofing, weak real-time aerial coordination, proxy-integrated drone warfare, vulnerable to saturation and precision strikes.